Hi guys, this is Josh here, and for today's video is we're going to have the unboxing and the initial review of the Blitzwolf HL3 or the BW-Hl3 Smartwatch. Let's go! Hi guys, this is Josh here and welcome back to our channel, and for today's video is we're going to have the unboxing and the initial review of the Blitzwolf HL3. Before that, I am going to shout out Banggood for sending us this product. So let's unbox it guys. So it is only around $33. I put the link below if you want to buy the product. Alright guys, so here is the box of our BW-HL3, and there is a Blitzwolf branding on top, and at the bottom there's no information, and on the side there's none. And guys, so here are the specifications of the smartwatch. So its Bluetooth version is 5.0, and the battery capacity it's 180 milliamp, and working time it's around 5 to 7 days, and the weight is 62 grams. It's compatible for iOS 8.0 and also Android 4.4. So this Blitzwolf HL3, it is equipped with 24-hour continuous heart rate monitor, and also it has the SpO2 monitor and the blood pressure monitoring feature. And also it supports multiple languages. It is also IP68, so it means that you can submerge it into the water and while you are swimming or showering and in the rain. But I don't recommend guys if you use this one for swimming because it's not really sports watch. Okay, so now let's open the box. Okay, so the packaging guys, it feels and looks premium. Let's open it. Okay, alright. So upon opening the box guys, you are greeted with the smartwatch. Yes, the Blitzwolf HL3. Wow, let's put this aside first. And also in the box, you can see another box. So I think it is where the charging cable is here, and it's nice guys because it's magnetic. It should be easier for you to connect. Yes, we have our manual guys. So they also have this paper here, so which tells you if you are sad about the product or happy about the product. There's information there on how to contact them if you have any problem. And this is the manual guys. So we have here, it's in English, Dutch, French, Italiano, Espanol, Portuguese, and I think this is Chinese guys. Yes, all you have to do is just read the product manual for you to be assisted if you have any problems. So now, let's look at the watch guys. Alright, so guys, this is my first time to unbox a leather-like strap here. Yes, as you can see, and we have this one in black. It feels and looks premium guys. And at the back, as you can see, I believe these are the sensors and the charging area. Let's try to take this one off. And in the watch guys, it has also a crown here. Let's try to turn it on. Okay, so it says there Blitzwolf, and as you can see there's already the watch face, so which looks like futuristic design, and it has a digital clock. And let's try to scroll down guys. Yes, and you can see there find the brightness, so for you to adjust the brightness of your watch. There's also information and setting. And when you try to scroll up, so there is messages here. So I believe you can read the messages here when you try to sync it with your smartphone. Alright, so now let's scroll to the right, and you can see their settings. Yes, it's moving guys, it looks nice. And also the sleeping time, find the device, stopwatch, and the message, as you can see there. And the weather, the exercise. So let's try to have the exercise guys. So it has running, cycling, skipping, table tennis, badminton, swimming, Yes, so it has lots of sports mode. Here the blood oxygen level. So if you don't know, the blood oxygen level will measure the amount of oxygen in your blood. So let's try to test it, guys. Guys, we have 97%. Yes, I think that is okay. And moreover, we also have here the blood pressure. So let's test and check our blood pressure. Alright, here is our blood pressure. It's 114/76. So that is good. Yeah, we try to be healthy. And also our heart rate. So it is also equipped with the heart rate monitoring. And I think that is our heart rate, guys. So that is 89 beats per minute, or 88. Yes, so as you can see, the sensor is already working. And we also have here the steps, and that's it, guys. So now let's check the settings, if what are the things that we can do there. Let's click on the settings. So we have here the reset, and we also have here information, okay, the name and the version of our Blitzwolf, and the brightness, guys. So you can also change the brightness. So unlike other smartwatch that you cannot change the brightness, so in here you can check if you want it lower or higher. And also there's turn off there, guys. So now let's try to charge the watch. So all we just have to do is connect our cable to the power bank or any adapter, guys, as long as it's compatible. And all you just have to do is place this here. Boom, it says it's 75%. Alright, so it's just very easy, guys, on how to charge your Blitzwolf BW-Hl3 smartwatch. Alright, guys, so what can I say about this product? It's just very easy, guys. It's really great for its price. It really looks premium, and it also looks durable. Okay, and with its features and also the strap, it's very nice there, and it is also replaceable. Okay, so if you are interested to buy this smartwatch, just click the link on the description below, and you can use the coupon code for you to get a discount. Okay, if you have any questions, guys, just comment down below. And if you like this video, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing. And guys, don't worry, I will upload more videos and tutorials on how to connect your Blitzwolf BW-Hl3 to your smartphone. Okay, so once again, this is Josh, and I'll see you soon.